What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am so excited to be with you all here today because on this channel we talk about gardening, we talk about outdoor plants, we talk about everything in between that is all about green, okay? And on this video I will be talking about lighting for your garden. As you can see, I have both a raised bed garden and I also have 5-gallon bucket garden, but I also have this huge massive oak tree. Look at that. Look at that tree. Oh my gosh. As far as the eye can see, we can see a tree. And therefore I am always like looking about and seeing different ways in which my things in the garden can get the lighting that is necessary for growth, maturity, and ultimately a harvest at the end of the day. And so, you know, these are things that I take into consideration. I think you should too if you're gardening just like me. So first things first is that way is facing north, therefore this way is facing south. That way is north, south, east, west. Okay, so the sun rises this way in the east and it sets this way in the west. As you can see over there, the sun is going down. Okay, so to let you know it's a later in this day. Well, yeah, it's 5. It's later in this day, but nonetheless I have to make sure that my plants over here get the proper lighting that is necessary. And I believe that with this fence being where it is blocking the morning sun. You know, so by the time that the sun gets in a way in which it can hit the lights, boom, as y'all can see, the branches are there. However, over here, my raised beds get the ample amount of sun because I do watch it throughout the day and things like that. And therefore, what I am going to do is switch out my 5-gallon bucket garden from way over there to putting it over here, okay? And I'm gonna move temporarily this bench to go all the way over there, which is really not far. I mean, it's just about 10 steps at the end of the day, but on this camera it does look far. Therefore, I'm going to move those buckets over here, that over there, and I believe I will get the proper and adequate amount of sun for my 5-gallon buckets so that it will be in competition because, ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you, I am having an internal competition amongst my 5-gallon buckets and my raised beds to see which way grows the vegetables faster. Okay, like I said, I have kale, I have collard greens, I have cabbage, I have broccoli, I have cauliflower, all those different things, not only in the raised beds but also in the 5-gallon buckets as well. Use the same type of soil, give it the same amount of time, so we gonna see, with all things being equal, which one grows better. So with all that being said, let me go ahead and move my 5-gallon bucket situation over from there to over here, and then yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna move, oh yeah, then I gotta move that over there as well, okay? And in the midst of all of my moving, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, hit that thumbs up, comment below, just let me know how you do your lighting for your garden and things like that, okay? Because we can all grow and learn from each other. With all that being said, let me do what I need to do, which is move these things. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, the switch has been made. As you can see, that is nice and cleared out. The 5-gallon buckets have nicely been put over there. That bench gave me far more of a problem than I expected. Therefore, I will leave it there and consider it if it would even stay here, okay? That thing may go. I may end up building me a bench back there made out of pallet wood, which you know, that is something I do on another channel, on another DKUJ family channel. I'll put the link below for that, so you can see all the different pallet builds that I do. But nonetheless, let me know what you think I should do back there in that space. Should I do some more gardening? You know, I could do raised bed, I could do 5-gallon buckets. You let me know what I should do. Or should I build a seating area, a peaceful tranquility place in which I can watch my plants grow, my harvest come, and you know, watch the butterflies fly around. So this is a space that I have to work with. It is a nice amount of space. It is next to my pallet deck and things like that. So, you know, let me know what to do with the space. I have plenty of it. Your suggestion is going to help me fill it, and so that is what that is. Now, if you're wondering what is going on with all this cardboard that you have on the ground, well, I am doing my sheet mulching because I had a lot of weeds down there. I'm gonna put some mulch down. However, it is fall, therefore the leaves are coming down, so I'm really gonna wait until spring. At the end of the day, I'm gonna wait until spring in order to put the mulch down. However, as the leaves fall, I know it will cover everything up, which is actually a nice barrier to have as well before putting down your mulch, because it will further help keep the weeds from growing up and contaminating your area and having things looking nice, well, not nice, but ugly and not nice, okay? But anyway, that is what that is. That is how this turned out to be. So now I should get adequate amount of sun for both my 5-gallon buckets, my raised garden beds, and everything in between. And we should have a nice level playing field as far as sun is concerned, soil is concerned, seeds and fertilizer, because all those things went together to package up this competition. So ladies and gentlemen, I love you. I thank you. Let me know what to do in the comment section below, and I promise you we will grow together. All right, beautiful people, until next time, get your hands dirty because it gets your insides clean, okay? That's because it's natural, organic, and you can reap a harvest that is beneficial for generations to come. All right, love you, beautiful people. Peace.